Vlog's model of tourist behavior: allocentric, psychocentric, mid-centric. Allocentric. Allocentric tourist is a traveler who loves adventure, seeks new experiences, and enjoys exploring unpopular or lesser-known destinations. Often traveling alone is preferring off the beaten path trips. For example, someone they are willing to try new and unique experiences and are not afraid of unfamiliar places or culture. They are interested in learning the history, culture, and traditions of place and its people. They prefer to travel alone or in a small group and prefer the freedom of creating their own itinerary over organized tour. Psychocentric. Psychocentric traveler is one who visits similar vacation spots, eats recognizable food, and partakes in similar activity each time. For example, a family from the United States that drives to the same hotel in Miami for a beach vacation each year, visit the same book festival, and eats at familiar chain restaurant, prioritizing convenience and relaxation over adventure of culture exploration. Mid-centric. Mid-centric tourist is in between allocentric and psychocentric. They enjoy traveling to moderately new places but still want some level of comfort and familiarity. They are not exceptionally adventurous but are open to new cultural and historical experiences. For example, as someone who visits Europe to see historical sites and cultural attractions, such as a guided tour of the Colosseum in Rome, but then also chooses to relax at the familiar-looking beach resort nearby. I consider myself a mid-centric tourist because I like both adventure and comfort when I travel. I enjoy discovering new places and trying new experiences, but I also want safety and convenience at the same time. I would enjoy visiting a famous city or tourist spot, but I would also try local food, explore cultural attractions, and meet local people. I do not want a trip that is too risky, but I also do not want it to be too plain or predictable. Being mid-centric means I can enjoy the excitement of exploring new things while still having the relaxation and comfort I need. This balance makes my travel more fun, meaningful, and memorable.